The 2024 Suzuki Hayabusa 25th Anniversary Edition marks a quarter-century since the iconic Hayabusa's debut, retaining its status as the ultimate sport bike. The commemorative model boasts a glass blaze orange and glass sparkle black design, featuring aerodynamic enhancements, LED lighting, and anniversary emblems. Powered by a 1,340 cubic centimeters engine, it accelerates smoothly, adhering to global emission standards. The Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SCEM, provides unparalleled rider control with adjustable power delivery, traction control, cruise control, launch control, quick shift, and advanced ABS. Special features include gold anodized components, a solo seat cowl, and anniversary logos. The Hayabusa's legendary performance, agile handling, and distinctive design make it a standout in its 25th year, representing Suzuki's commitment to excellence in the sport bike realm. The 2024 Suzuki Hayabusa 25th Anniversary Edition boasts a robust 1,340 cubic centimeters, inline-four-cylinder, liquid-cooled, DOHC engine designed for seamless torque delivery and improved durability. Engine advancements, including lubrication enhancements inspired by the GSX, R1000, specialized crankcase assembly, and U-shaped cutouts in cylinder bores, contribute to reduced internal pumping pressure and mechanical losses. The Suzuki Composite Electrochemical Material, SCEM, cylinder coating, along with lightweight aluminum alloy slipper pistons and a chrome nitride Physical Vapor Deposition, PVD, piston ring coating, enhances heat dissipation, durability, and reduces friction. The crankshaft, connecting rods, and pistons, with reduced mass, reduce internal vibration, ensuring greater engine durability. A gear-driven balancer shaft minimizes engine and rider vibration, while the twin-swirl combustion chamber, TSCC, in the cylinder head promotes faster and more efficient burning of the fuel-air mixture. Valve train updates, including a higher exhaust camshaft's valve lift, optimize combustion efficiency, and lightweight titanium valves with high-rate valve springs ensure accurate valve control. The CAN chain tensioner design minimizes chain runout, and independent ignition coil caps firing iridium spark plugs enhance combustion efficiency. The cooling system, featuring a curved radiator, 2 ECM-controlled electric fans, and an air-cooled oil cooler, maintains stable engine temperature. The fairing design facilitates increased air flow, improving cooling efficiency. The Suzuki Ride-by-Wire electronic throttle body system offers precise control, including cruise control, launch and lift control, quick shift system, cold start up, and idle speed control. Throttle bodies with tapered 43mm bores and high-flow intake system contribute to enhanced power at low to mid-range speeds. The ECM-controlled throttle bodies, along with 4 primary fuel injectors and Suzuki side feed injectors, SSFI, result in a 2% increase in power and torque output in the low to mid-range. Compact throttle bodies enable an increased air cleaner assembly capacity, providing more air supply to the engine. The air cleaner, coupled with Suzuki Ram Air Direct, SRAD, intake ducts in the upper fairing, boosts performance linearly with road speed. Additionally, the Suzuki Pulsed Secondary Air Injection, PAIR, system reduces emissions by introducing fresh air into the exhaust to ignite unburned hydrocarbons.